top 6.
Yep, top 6.
Drew was just dropped to losers bracket by James.
James. Good job against fighting James.
Rodell was dropped by
Taiho.
Kino.
Kino.
Or was it Red? Somewhere along those
Somewhere else. Okay.
On the other side, we have Etus versus Bernard for the fighting for the second spot in top 4.
Oh God, come on Etuts, you can do this, man. You can do this. This is game. Okay, this is game. All right. Drew did you choose Goken, and Rodell goes for Adon. Okay. The trade, man. Oh, nasty. Oh.
Nice combos there from Drew.
Drew's got that. The battle of footsies. Ooh. Good timing.
Footsies, man, I think I would give this to Chun-Li.
Yeah, Chun-Li.
Adon's only footsie tool is his stand roundhouse.
That's it. Chun-Li's got a lot of
There's a lot of good moves, a lot of good normals. Her sweep is an anti-air, so if typed correctly, she can anti-air any jump Jaguars.
yeah. And she can whiff punish the sweep.
Right.
Ooh. Oh, desperation mode.
That was really, I think it's a couple of frames negative.
Yeah, the EX Jaguar.
Yeah, I believe so.
Oh, oh no.
He failed the cross up. Drew is now on the offensive. Nice air to air. And now we're back to neutral game.
Drew's got this.
So the key here for Rodell is to really make use of his stand roundhouse. That's his only footsie tool. Try to mix things up with jump Jaguar kicks.
That's right.
But really, even EX Jaguar kicks is also really good. You can catch you off guard. Nice, he can jump in.
Very good.
Too far for a punish. I don't think Adon has any punish for that.
Here we go. Let's see. Safe jump. Oh, at the back. Oh, nasty. That's it.
And Drew is going Ultimate Ultra. He's gonna take the first stage.
Ultimate Ultra.
He's on match point fighting for top 4.
Yes.
On the other side, Edwin is fighting Bernard.
Oh, he didn't change character.
Ooh,
He was the trade on. And again.
Nice links there from Drew.
A good decision from Drew from knocking down after the combo.
Oh, nice jump fierce, double fierce. Unable to get the step kicks.
Yep, there should be hop kicks there. Slicing up the distance. No anti-air coming from Rodell.
Ooh, nice. Gets a poke. Ooh, counter poke there from Rodell. Crouch fierce. Nice.
Okay.
Unable to get the link there. I'm not sure if that's linkable or not. Good block there from Drew. Nice. He tried to reset.
He's trying to bull rush Chun-Li. Oh no, he didn't.
Oh, Drew drops his combo.
Same too.
Critical drop.
You grab it. You need to get out of there with him.
Drew's in the corner.
Good escape from Rodell.
And he did not spend the Ultra 2. Or could he have dropped that combo? Ooh, he gets it.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Showmatch? Ano yan? Showmatch? Showmatch?
Kayo lalaban 4. Shoutcast ako. Oh. Team battle against IPT. Later, after this grand finals.
Nicely done.
Oh!
You go on match point.
Come on, Rodell. Think of something. You need to think of something. Oh! You tried to safe jump that part. Now he's stuck in the corner and not anymore.
Yeah, he bought his way out. Ooh, EX.
Oh, that's where it really is OP.
That is a great neutral jump there from Rodell. He's one round away from staying alive.
He is still alive and kicking, man.
Yeah, forcing a game. Can he force a game 3?
Wait for it. Okay, walk in the line. Come on, Rodell. Okay, Drew's got him in the corner. In that position, trying to pull.
Wow, look at Drew's folks. Ooh, cross up. Drops the combo. That was big. That would have been big. Nice drop there from Drew.
They're dropping a lot of combos now. What's wrong?
Nice. Line roundhouse double. Oh, that was a combo.
Counter hit. Okay, Rodel's waiting patiently on the life lead. Not anymore. Back jump, high face, jumping fierce. That's good. Okay.
Oops, no further. Good block from Drew. Rodel has yet to use EX air Jaguar kick that actually hits overhead.
Yes.
Drew's been blocking low all this time.
Okay. Oh, he went back.
Reaches out.
Oh, he missed. Drew missed it. Damn.
That would have been it. This gives Rodel a chance. He almost got hit by it. That would have been confirmed into Ultra 2.
That's right.
Drew looking good.
He should have been over, but good. Oh no!
We got the jump in.
We got. Wait a minute. Oh no!
Yes,
Why did you? Why?
X Bird kick. Why is the deal?